Good morning, students. Today we will do the second part of chapter number 7, Post Independence India. Now, in the previous video, we have studied that how Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel have convinced all the 559 princely states, okay, to merge their states with India Union, okay, and then only 3 princely states were reluctant, okay, not to merge their states with India. Who were they? The state of Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir. So now how did Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel convince these Nawabs or the kings to merge their princely states with India? That topics we will study over here. The merger of Hyderabad, the merger of Junagadh and the merger of Kashmir. Okay, see the major problems of after independence. Okay, we have studied which were the two major problems. First was to the framing of constitution, and then secondly to merge all these princely states with India. Now the merger of Hyderabad. Okay, you can see the people. We will study how the people were eager to join Hyderabad with India, and in this you can just see where is the location of Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad is in we can say peninsular India and nearly in mid of India. Now Hyderabad, Nizam of Hyderabad, which is states from southern part of India, declared its independence on 15th August. As far as geographical location, it was bound to join India, but the fact was brought to their notice that Hyderabad won't be able to remain as an independent state as it is surrounded by Indian territory. Now, you know, at that time you can see the picture of Nizam, Osman Ali Khan. His ideas were not matching with we can say Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel or the leaders of India. And what was the problem? That Hyderabad was surrounded by all other Indian provinces at that time. You can see Hyderabad over here. Now it is nearly in the center. Okay, so because of its location, what was there? Okay, Hyderabad had to merge with India, but the Nizam was not ready to merge Hyderabad with India. Why? Because he had we can say the differences in ideology with Indian leaders. Now the Nizam clarified the matter by saying that if the country will be divided, then owing to geographical reasons, they would not be able to join Pakistan. What did Nizam said? Okay, as Hyderabad is in nearly center of India, they will not be able to join Pakistan क्योंकि पाकिस्तान से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर हो जा रहा है, and it is surrounded by India on all sides, and they will not be able to join India owing to ideological reasons. और इंडिया के साथ क्यों join नहीं करना है? Because their ideas did not match with the Indian leaders or with Indian Union. Under such circumstances, they would prefer to remain independent. So Nizam said that they will wish that they remain independent. Now negotiations began with Nizam. So Sardar Patel started negotiating. Negotiating मतलब उनको समझाना, उनको ये बोलना कि नहीं, the benefit of Nizam and the benefit of Hyderabad would be to join Hyderabad with India. So they started negotiating with Nizam. Sardar Patel bluntly stated to the negotiator of the Nizam that people of Hyderabad are eager to be with the Union of India. You have seen the picture. उसमें भी ऐसा ही दिख रहा था कि the people wanted to join Hyderabad with India. और सरदार पटेल he also started convincing the Nizam कि लोगों को तो यही है कि हमारा जो हैदराबाद है वो किसके साथ ज्वाइन हो जाए? इंडिया के साथ. Meanwhile, the Nizam officers started committing atrocities on the people of Hyderabad. Now Nizam, see this is Nizam, उनके जो लोग थे they started committing atrocities. Atrocide मतलब अत्याचार करने लगे लोगों के ऊपर on the people of Hyderabad. Ultimately, Hyderabad was merged with the Union of India by using police force on 18 September 1948. जब उनके atrocides इतने बढ़ गए तो सरदार पटेल एंड इंडिया हैड टू यूज़ द पुलिस फोर्स, और पुलिस फोर्स करके ही उन्होंने पूरा हैदराबाद किस में मर्ज कर दिया? इंडिया में ऑन 18 सितंबर 1948. सरदार पटेल एश्योर्ड द निज़ाम टू प्रोटेक्ट ऑल देयर इंटरेस्ट, इज़न्ट इट? सरदार पटेल ने एश्योरेंस दिया कि जो भी लोगों के हित में होगा, जो भी लोगों का बेनिफिट होगा वो करेंगे. ओके, लेट पीपल अगर चाहते हैं तो हैदराबाद को ज्वाइन होने दो इंडिया के साथ. Now Kanhaiya Munshi played a very crucial role in the entire episode. Okay, and after the reforming of the states, the state of Hyderabad was later included in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so Kanhaiya Munshi also played an important role in including Hyderabad in India. और जब वापस से reformation हुए थे states के, that we will study later in the later videos. So after the reformation, Hyderabad was a part of Andhra Pradesh. Now the second is the merger of Junagadh. You can see where Junagadh is. Here I have pointed out in the yellow portion. On the day of independence, the Nawab of Junagadh wrote an instrument of accession to join Pakistan. Pakistan in turn gave them consent. Now this Nawab of Junagadh, he wanted to join Junagadh with Pakistan. और उन्होंने एक लेटर भी लिखा to Pakistan and Pakistan gave them the consent. Consent मतलब हामी भर दी, yes बोल दिया कि yes we will join Junagadh with Pakistan. Sardar Patel decided to take countermeasures against this. But Sardar Patel, what did he wanted? That as Junagadh is again in Saurashtra in India, he wanted that Junagadh should be a part of India. So he started taking countermeasures. Countermeasures means the opposite measures. People of Junagadh living in Mumbai established Arzi Hukumat in Mumbai. During this time, Sheikhs of Mangrol and Manadar declared their wish to join the Union of India. Okay, now people of Junagadh, these people, some of the people, those who were living in Mumbai, they stated Arzi Hukumat. Arzi Hukumat karna matlab, they wrote a letter to the Nawab of Junagadh that we want to join with India. Even the Sheikhs of Mangrol and Manadar, these are the communities, they also wish that Junagadh should be part of India. Indian soldiers and navy who were positioned to protect Manavdar and Mangrol besieged the Junagadh state. उस टाइम पे जो उधर सोल्जर्स लगाए गए थे या नेवी लगाई गई थी टू प्रोटेक्ट किसको, दीज कम्युनिटीज़ को, मानवदार एंड मंगरोल को, दे बिसीज द जूनागढ़ स्टेट. बिसीज करना मतलब कब्जा कर दिया पूरे जूनागढ़ पे. द नवाब ऑफ जूनागढ़ फ्लेड टू पाकिस्तान. ओके, दीज नेवी एंड सोल्जर्स उन्होंने कैप्चर कर दिया पूरे जूनागढ़ के ऊपर. तो द नवाब नाउ व्हाट डिड ही डू, ही फ्लेड अवे टू पाकिस्तान. On 9th of November 1947, referendum of people of Junagadh was taken. What do you mean by referendum? We can say voting type. Okay, लोगों से पूछा गया कि what is their wish. So people said that they wanted that Junagadh should merge with India. Thus Junagadh's merger with the Union of India was made possible owing to Sardar Patel's guts and tremendous will of the people of Junagadh. Okay, so here also due to the will of people, लोगों की इच्छा थी कि Junagadh should join with India, and even with the efforts of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, again Junagadh was also merged with India. Now the third is the merger of Kashmir. Now the issue of Kashmir was the most complicated of all, more complicated than Hyderabad and Junagadh, we will say. Now Raja Hari Singh of Kashmir was indecisive. At the time of independence, जब बोला गया कि decision लो कि whether they want to join with India or with Pakistan, the king of Kashmir, Raja Hari Singh, he was indecisive. Indecisive means he was not able to take any decision कि क्या करना है, कि कश्मीर को पाकिस्तान के साथ ज्वाइन करना है या इंडिया के साथ. Because Kashmir was at such a location, कि it is touching the Pakistan border also. Okay, at that time, meanwhile Pakistan attacked Kashmir. जब तक राजा हरी सिंह डिसीजन ले तो पाकिस्तान ने क्या किया, they attacked Kashmir. The government of India insisted that Raja Hari Singh should first sign the instrument of accession and then the Indian army could be sent. Okay, so Raja Hari Singh first he asked we can say military assistance. उन्होंने military help मांगा to protect Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian Union, they told कि yes we will help you, but first Raja Hari Singh had to sign the letter of or the instrument of accession कि अगर वो लोग फ्री हो जाएंगे, अगर इंडिया ने उनको हेल्प किया, कश्मीर फ्री हो जाएगा फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, they will join Kashmir with India. One of the clauses in instrument of accession was that after the restoration of normal situation in Kashmir, plebiscite would be held for permanent merger with India. Okay, plebiscite would be held मतलब again people's decision would be taken कि लोग क्या चाहते हैं कश्मीर का, and with the people's decision only Kashmir will be joined with India. Immediately after signing the letter, the Indian army protected Kashmir. जैसे ही राजा हरि सिंह ने वो लेटर साइन किया कि येस ही विल जॉइन कश्मीर विद इंडिया, इंडियन ट्रूप्स वर सेंड, ओके, और इंडियन नेवी को भेजा गया एंड इंडियन सोल्जर्स को भेजा गया एंड देन कश्मीर वॉज बीइंग फ्री. बट पाकिस्तान हैड ऑलरेडी ऑक्यूपाइड 1/3 पोर्शन ऑफ कश्मीर बाय दैट टाइम. जब तक इंडियन सोल्जर्स पहुँचे कश्मीर को फ्री करें, सो यू कैन सी दिस ब्लू एरिया, this 1/3 portion of Kashmir was being occupied by Pakistan, but rest of the Kashmir was being saved. India had registered a complaint against Pakistan in the Security Council of the United Nations. India ने फिर उसकी complaint कर दी कि this portion of Kashmir has been taken away by Pakistan. This complaint was given in Security Council of United Nations. The Security Council suggested for ceasefire. Even today, Kashmir issue is a continuous issue in the relations between India and Pakistan. In this way, towards the end of 1948, political unity of India was established by various historical and non-violent movements. Okay, but this we can say, जो 1/3 portion had been occupied by Kashmir, this problem has not been solved yet, isn't it? Again and again, the leaders of we can say India and Pakistan leaders, they communicate, they have a talk. बहुत बार after that also 2 or 3 wars had been taken place on this issue, but this issue has not been solved till now. Okay, but apart from this, nearly full of we can say all the princely states have been merged with India, and now India had become a big, strong, united nation. You can see our India, isn't it? So all this was with the help of we can say Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his team. Okay, so all these topics do come in 3 marks or 4 marks question. The merger of Hyderabad, the merger of Junagadh, and the merger of Kashmir. Each topic comes in 3 marks, and this has been given on page number 47 and 48. Okay, have a look, have a read on it. Thank you, beta.